Alright, here's one last quick video for today. This is the new in-box Dayton. I did not install the campies. The campies I do have, they're right here. Both are still in the plastic. Like I said, when installed, I want to leave them in plastic so you see it's new in box. This did not include its mounting hardware. I have extra, so it will include the mounting hardware I've given it. And let's go through the speeds of it. High, medium, low. This fan is one of, I think, 3 Adam got. And this one he didn't care for that much, so I got this one. This fan is very powerful. 56-inch Daytons always are. This is the stamped steel model, the early 2000 model. These are, I personally think these aren't bad. These are really great fans. This is the low speed, by the way. So I mean, that's a fast low right there. Now right, this thing's moving good air. Go ahead and go medium. Oh, you know, that was medium. My bad, I thought I pulled 3 times. Is it off? I can't tell. No, that was low. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to medium. This is medium from off. Sorry about that. I thought that was medium. That was actually low. So this is medium speed coming on right now. As you can see, medium speed is already a very fast, high speed. Wow, this thing moves some good air. Let's go ahead and go to high. High speed. Easily over 300 RPM. Let's go ahead and get a little closer. She runs silent. Blades are in perfect alignment. These blades are straight edge blades. This fan is great for any industrial lover. You can put a light out in this industrial, which is why there is switch housing right there. Man, listen to how forceful that wind is. No walls in the Tesla one, the 56 inch one. I forgot how big these are. 60 inch ones are better, but these are awesome. So let's go ahead and just spin down. I estimate will be a very long spin down. These are notorious for having long spin downs. Alright. God. Stop getting cut on my shorts, please. I had a rag over here, now I don't have a rag. Alright, good.
He's the right age. 5 months is when I start.
By the way,
What?
this would be the fan I was just for the dog area here because it has a pull thing you can turn it on and off if you want.
What happened to all the things that you got set up?
I haven't set up over here. I don't have anything over the dog area.
Oh.
Look, better air movement, you tell me. Come out here when you're done with that. I'll show you what it will do. Okay, sure, go ahead. Okay. Still recording? Yeah. I already have two of these 56-inch models. Not the switch housing. I don't care much for the switch housings. I always like the wall control ones better. And there we go. Just because I think we still have time in the video, I'm going to go ahead and do a straight to high. Just so you get an idea how fast this thing picks up the speed. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching.